I'm Ben Glass at BenGlassLaw, and one of the things that can kill or reduce your long-term disability benefits is missing your deadlines. Look, every insurance policy has a couple of really important deadlines. Number one, for giving notice of the claim. Number two, for getting proof of the claim, for getting the medical records and other information they are looking for. A big mistake that people make is listening to well-meaning HR, well-meaning physicians, well-meaning friends that tell you anything other than file your long-term disability claim promptly. For example, sometimes HR will say, oh, you have a workers' comp claim, you have to wait until that gets all worked through first before you file your long-term disability claim. Well, what happens then is your long-term disability claim dies because it wasn't filed on time. Now, the only exception to this is if a prompt filing of the claim would trigger a pre-existing condition exclusion. There are ways around that. Look, one of the best things that you can do if you're thinking about filing for benefits is to get a consult with an experienced long-term disability insurance attorney. We do a lot of these every week for people all over the country, looking at your policy, your medical records, your other supporting records, and giving you a template and a game plan for filing your claim. Our clients with legitimate claims who follow our plan have been approved 100% of the time. Every case is different, and yours could be the first one where this doesn't happen. But we have a really, really high success rate. And what this does is eliminates delay, declined claims, denied claims. One last word on this. We had a doctor who's a surgeon, could no longer operate, but he could still do a office-based practice. His friends told him he had no claim, even though he'd lost about $500,000 in income and about, let's just call it $400,000 total in long-term disability benefits. Truth is, he had a claim for partial disability, but by the time he came to us, years after his friends had given him bad advice, the time had expired for making that claim. So these policies can be complicated. It is not like filling out your driver's license renewal. Spending time, energy, and money with an experienced attorney before you file the claim can save you lots of money in the long run, but more importantly, can start that stream of payments to you so that you and your family don't suffer financial harm from the delays that the insurance companies are really looking for ways to delay and deny paying these claims. All right, my name is Ben Glass. It's BenGlassLaw. Look forward to talking to you, and until next video.